Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As we all know that something is definitely going to happen in the state of West Bengal, and it has started from the snowy mountains and hills of Uttarakhand. Yes, Tirath Singh Rawat resigned as the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. His resignation is definitely a very smart move. Let's understand this by the provisions of the Election Commission of India, how it is going to bother Mamta Banerjee, what powers does Election Commission of India have, and how it is going to be Nagin bhi mare or Lathi bhi na tute. You are intelligent enough to understand why I replaced Sap with Nagin. Well, so was it pre-planned? Absolutely not. As Tirath Singh Rawat took oath way before West Bengal elections. But is it any message for Mamta Banerjee? Yes, it is. It's a first step towards the president rule in the state of West Bengal. As you all know that there is only legislative assembly in the state of West Bengal, just like Uttarakhand. While Mamta Banerjee's attempt to acquire legislative council for the state of West Bengal has failed, as it needs parliament sanction, which is impossible, as we all know about the family relations, very friendly relations between the state government of West Bengal and central government. So the MLC option for Mamta Banerjee is closed. There is no bicameral legislature, that is legislative council doesn't exist in both the states. Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat was not a member of Legislative Assembly of Uttarakhand, nor could he be elected as an MLC, as there is no legislative council. He could not even get elected as elections have been suspended by the Election Commission for indefinite time due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So for him it was impossible to get elected before September, which is the due date for him after the 6 months of his oath. As a result, he had to resign. One may say that it was easy for the BJP to get one seat vacated for Tirath Singh Rawat and get him elected. But BJP chose not to do it, as there is the game directed towards Mamta Banerjee. Let's understand this. As you can see on the screen, election can be postponed in extraordinary circumstances. So if COVID-19 assumed to be an extraordinary circumstance and it is given as an excuse to postpone bypoll of Bhawanipur, seat vacated for Mamta Banerjee. She has vacated the seat after she lost Nandigram, so that she can get elected into the assembly from Bhawanipur. But it won't be allowed that this election is not done. Election, it will be ordered by the court that let this election be held. So because she may at least from Bhawanipur seat reduce the graph of COVID-19 and pretend the situation to be normal in the Bhawanipur constituency. As you can see on the right side, the Supreme Court calls COVID as an excuse for not holding elections and orders to hold elections. So it can order here too. So well, it was the same Supreme Court who questioned Election Commission for holding elections during the pandemic. Well, let's keep that aside. So pandemic might not stop Mamta Banerjee's election from Bhawanipur. So what else the Supreme Court, the central government can do to avoid the election in Bhawanipur? So let's understand this. If not natural calamity, however, in case of a state of emergency, an election can be postponed for 1 year, and it can extend to a period of 6 months after the emergency is lifted, while there is no specific legal provision. Understand this, there is no need of specific legal provision that specifies postponement in non-emergency situations, exceptional circumstances such as natural calamities, law and order situations, or any other unforeseen circumstances which is beyond the election commission's control can be the reason for postponement or extension. So it can also happen, right? Here the real issues of Bengal, like law and order situation, the state machinery failure, underlined by so many instances of post-poll violence, obstructions in rehabilitation of people displaced by the violence, attacks on the central team of NHRC, then disobedience to the governor by the top officials of the West Bengal government, and then the Narda scam and the protests at the CBI office and the court's order on them are enough as grounds for the central government to declare state emergency. And this is all covered by these extraordinary circumstances, I would say, exceptional circumstances, in which it is not possible for the election commission to hold election. In that case, Mamta Banerjee will not be able to get elected before 4th of November. So that's also one thing. In this, if this picture comes into reality and Mamta Banerjee resigns, then what options are left with Mamta Banerjee? One option is to resign from the post, and it makes some trustworthy person, to make some trustworthy person who is already an MLA, the chief minister, so that she will be able to manipulate him or her. But I don't think Mamta Banerjee would do it, as the people of dictatorial mindset are afraid of trusting even the close ones. They always feel unsafe, so she will not choose to do that. Another option is to make Abhishek Banerjee the chief minister, but it will automatically prove the allegation of nepotism. So her desire to be a national level competitor for Narendra Modi will be broken. And last option is to appeal in the Supreme Court for holding Bhawanipur election, and it seems to be a feasible option. What can happen in the Supreme Court we'll see in the next video. I will discuss on various aspects of what can happen in the Supreme Court if she appeals and if this picture comes into reality. But one thing is sure, that this move of Tirath Singh Rawat resignation is definitely going to bother Mamta Banerjee a lot. It may also be an attempt by the central government to provoke Mamta Banerjee to make more and more mistakes, like protesting at CBI office, which counts as an anarchist practice of obstructing the state operations. Modi and Shah have successfully started putting Mamta Banerjee into anxiety and fear of losing the power. So let's see how it turns out to be. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.